my name is Katie. I'm the driver of the session, and I'm here with Pomelo is my navigator. So today in class we learn chapter 5. Um, we learn if statements, and I did a few activities on my own, which I will be displaying for you and explaining what the code does and how it runs into the terminal. So when you look at 5.3, alien colors, imagine an alien was just shot down in a game, create a variable called alien color and assign it to a value of green, yellow, or red. Write an if statement to test whether the alien colors is green. If it is, print a message that the player just earned 5 points. Write one version of the program that passes the if test and another that fails. Okay, so when you look at my code, at line 1, we've got 5.3, and we've got a variable that is alien color and it is assigned to the value green. And then we've got our conditional statements. The if statement checks if the value alien color is green over here. And then we've got our action based on the condition. If the condition alien color is equal to green is true, the following code will be executed. You just earn 5 points. So if the alien color is green, the message you just earned 5 points will be printed. So let's just check it out into the terminal. As we can see over there. Moving on, we are going to be doing 5.5. Turn your if else chain from exercise 5.4 into a if else chain. If the alien is green, print a message that the player earned 5 points. If the alien is yellow, print a message that the player earned 10 points. If the alien is red, print a message that the player earned 15 points. Write 3 versions of this program, making sure that the message is printed for the appropriate color alien. Okay, so as we can see by 5.5, we've got a variable alien color is assigned to the value red, and then we've got our condition statements over here. And basically, an if else statement checks the value of alien color and executes the corresponding block of code based on the condition that is met. And then the condition checks first. It checks if alien color is green. If it's true, it will print you just on 5 points. If the first condition is not true, it checks if alien color is yellow. If true, it prints you just on 10 points. If neither of the above conditions are true, meaning alien color is neither green nor yellow, the else block is executed and it prints you just on 15 points. And then moving on, we've got 5.6. So, but law. Oh yeah, 5.6 and 5.11. Sorry. So, as we can see, 5.6 is stages of life, right? And if else chain that determine the person's stage of life, set a value for the variable age, and then if the person is less than 2 years old, print a message that the person is a baby. If the person is at least 2 years old but less than 4, it prints a message that the person is a toddler. If the person is at least 4 years old but less than 13, print a message that the person is a kid. If the person is at least 13 years old but less than 20, print a message that the person is a teenager. If the person is at least 20 years old but less than 65, print a message that the person is an adult. And if the person is 65 or older, print that the person is an elder. I forgot to show you in my terminal for 5.5. Print just on 15 points. As you can see, it did print the following. So now I'm going to be explaining 5.6. Okay, so in 5.6, we've got a variable that is assigned to the value 17 over here. And we've got our conditional statements. And if else statement checks the value of age and prints the corresponding message, as we can see over here. So we've got our condition checks. If age is less than 2, it prints you a baby. If the first condition is not met and age is less than 4, it prints you a toddler. And If age is less than 13, it prints you a kid. If age is less than 20, it prints you a teenager. If age is less than 65, it prints you an adult. If none of the above conditions are met, you are an elder. So in this case, since age is 17, it will print you are a teenager, as we can see over here. Then we've got 5.11. Let's get there. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers indicate their position in a list, such as first or second. Most ordinal numbers end with th except for 1, 2, and 3. Store the numbers 1 through 9 in a list. Loop to the list. Use an if else chain inside the loop to print the proper ordinal ending for each number. Your output should read first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. And each result should be on a separate line. Okay, so there is a variable numbers is a list of integers from 1 to 9. And then we've got our loops and conditional statements, sorry, which is over here. So basically, a for loop iterates through each number in the list and prints its ordinal form. And then we've got our condition checks. If number is 1, it prints first. If number is 2, it prints second. And if number is 3, it prints third. For any other number, it prints a number followed by th. And when we run that into the terminal, as you can see, first, second, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and 9. And that is it for chapter 5. Thank you.